Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hapadeng ka Ïakhih jur jong ki Samla Pule ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science bandawa wengkam no mardor persha yo Professor Pranab Dutta halor ka jingkno don kti bande kenchlen ki arngot ki Samla Pule kenthei Majistor bat bor pulet kilawan ban Tuklar ban betha ki bor kate ka jaka Pule baki de ban Pynlong ya ka Jingtohkit ka mardor halor kate ka jingkno na kalyang ki Samla Pule kilapan triang ningkong kilarai ban beteng bet ya ka Ïakhih kat ba kimpat yo priang ya ka kai phot jong ka Jingtohkit ka Internal Complaint Committee Hadien ka Kular jo Majistor ba kate ka ICC kalapinti kna ban Pynlong ya ka Jingtohkit mardor bat ban shim ya ki sen jam kat kom ki kendon persha ya ute Professor Pranab Dutta ubere chairman ka School of Crop Protection bat ki Samla Pule ki shim ya karai ban Sangeh ashwa shipor ya ka Ïakhih bat rairu ban ujor sundon dak ijahar persha ya ute uno hikai ha kate gasngi la sakhiru ya ka jingwan poi jong ka nongyelam ka Women Organization of Riboy District hapo ka jingyelam jong ka kong Mirajun Mersing kum ka president bat ka kong rivulet kala kum ka nong ai bot lembat ki wei de ki bawan ai ka jingkarshan ni ki Samla Pule ba Ïakhih khamtam ki argot ki Samla Pule ki bla shak ta akti haute Professor Pranab Dutta bat dawa baki bor badai khmi ki de ban Pynlong ka Jingtohkit ka bania bat ban penchitom ru yaute unong hikai kat kum ki kendon jong ka an
सुनो जब भागीरथ जी आए थे तब संडे को क्यों खुल गया है जवाब दो बातें होगी जय होगी सर एक और बात then immediately I said okay you go for IC committee
सर आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला जो लोग नहीं भी पता है ना हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि आईसी कमेटी कल आया था सैटरडे को पूछिए
no guys हाँ
Only chairman.
Response. Then our planning is to call the two complainant individually, separately, and call also respondent separately. After that, we can, according to the post act, we are proceeding step by step.
It's lodged. So what have you done? Have you done any inquiry or anything?
It's immediately, ma'am. Immediately, sir. I received one letter from the complainant number 1 at 4:30. Immediately in front, I called my committee members to my chamber, and after that, I just discussed with them. And
Who are the committee members?
Committee members, please come. The two complainants is guided by that one of the professor, and that professor was primarily that one of the member of our IC. So that we are requesting to our dean that co-opted one member instead of Dr. Mahesh Pathak. Okay, sir. After that, dean is nominated that Dr. Lala Ipra is the co-opted member. But we all five are the last 24 say. Sir, we are the internal committee member, and I am the chairman.
Okay, ma'am. I just want to know कि जब May 6 में complaint मिला, then what action did you take?
Action सर मेरा committee member को मैं inform किया जे ये एक student PhD scholar with the hard document coming to me and saying that these are things happened and sexually harassed by the Dr. Pranab Dutta, one of the professor of a School of Crop Protection. So after that date 6 already that time is over, sir. Our time is 5 o'clock. So everybody is in a hurry.
What time you received the complaint?
4:30.
4:30.
Yes, sir. So 5 after 5 everybody is already.
On May 7, what did you do?
7, sir, we are sitting, calling my all members and one confidential meeting with the in presence of the external online mode, and we discuss what we can do. Then in the meantime also another mail received from the second complainant. Then I can advise to that girl, whatever you are saying, just to put a mail as a complaint for the presently now, and after that you send your hard copy. So as per my chairman, I advised her this much. After that we receiving 2 complainants. Then
So one thing I would like to add here. So written
act, we are on process.
Ma'am, I agree that you're on process. Don't talk. मैम, जब मैंने आपको कहा है कि मैंने रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दिया, आप तो बोल सकते हो नहीं दिया है, मैंने मेल नहीं किया था.
ऐसा नहीं है.
होता है मैम.
ऐसा नहीं है. We are receiving to hard copy. कैसे हम बोलेंगे कि कंप्लेंट रिसीव नहीं किया? We are 2 complainant. We are received the mail with the 2 hard copies, sir. So already all are going on proper procedure as per the 2013 Post Act. And online also, our external member also always present with us. And my member also to second date 7, we are working, sir, up to 9 o'clock in the college.
And what decision did you make?
Decision, sir, as per the Post Act, 1 counselor is appointed for students, complainants, and immediately
against the person.
Against the person, sir, as per the external mom suggested and Post Act rule also, that refrain to that respondent from the surrounding.
All the students of Cpgsas we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our 2 fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Pranam Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice and we want...
He has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to be stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee.
That's the only immediate suggestion we could give while the inquiry is still going on.
While the inquiry is still going on, the immediate action that you could have taken was the immediate action that you could have taken was to refrain that person from interacting with the students. But that person can still interact with the committee members.
No, sir. Unless we call him for the inquiry.
And
not in contact with.
Did you call for a hearing of the students who put the complaint?
We thought of sitting today, but then this happened.
Because the transfer order came out on the 8th. Against the alleged professor, right?
Sir, I want to add something.
Pentip hangi lang bagani ka press and media, bagani ka sexual harassment hangi hapo si EU, asi alkamday ka sin ka baningkong, kani ka juja para buar. Then ray ka ek basusi ka long ba ka ek report ka ba makiki ay ka complain ka makiki ay ka sujak klep kumtu. Kam don any action. Ala jujateng mensua. Mentang kinang ngekran ka tu nang bakinong tari hang nero ki ong bangir ng amat kum kini. Kidi ki contractual, but still they are facing. So this is the right place, right decision, right time bangin hap banya fight for the rights, for the justice to be done for our women, for our children.
Of the district ni kadai kaseng kabapek lani ko organization kabapek ya kabahagam nya jongki Pynlong ki kentai o ki kena Samla ki long kami ha kami dai bati kentai ti Hadien bangila ayo ko complain la ki student jong kene ka university ka badonang ni ha umiam halor ka jingsha haras ke jongki Teka Pynlong yangi kumki long kami jong ka Riboy district Hima ka women organization of Riboy district ka Pynlong yangi bangin wan kan banya ay men simiki na marni perkhat ay jinglong ka jing iem ka baman ka si ki jongi ki kun ki ki jongi ki babun ki don sabar ki Pule sabar lada kum kini ki jingja ki ja ki kun ki ki jongi kan long kan persosi ya ka men sim ki jongi ru habangi pe kini ki student ki badon hang ne ki bapli ki jangai na la ki jong ki kimi ki pa na la ka jong ka sinong ka thau ki kimi ki pa le si he ki jinglong duk la ne ki jinglong perdu ki le si tom ban pha Pule la ki jong ki kon ban yo e ki jing nang jing start but shu kane ka university ka badon hang ne ka dai ka bahap hapo jong ka Riboy district tingim sngau tanat ba kini ki university ki banapar habakin wan sapo ka Riboy district jongi bakin wan Pynlong tangkum ka jaka banle be ijot e ki khana school ki jongki tena kaliang jong women organization of Riboy district ni condemn ye une professor uba harasi kini ki student but ni ong ru bana kaliang jongi we strongly support e kini ki student
Organization of Riboy district yo ikini ko complain hadin bala yo iko complain Saturday immediately ngila pisang ban buat iklat enti jingaram ngila konsol iki tingla pentip show women commission ngila pentip ru segi police officer badi jongka women's wing mo ti ngila yo ban yekan beki ngila yo ban discuss beki ti hadin katanya ai ka motivational support iki bakin nya sakrang namar bangi sutho ba kani ka harassment sexual harassment yaki kena kambi tangga yaki kena ne yaki long kumi kambi ka bajatang hangi hapo district jongi kadi ka bajas kiwi ki jakaru babun iki naki brio ki bangat hakini ki jingjam kimnut ika bensi me ka step bakin wan sakhman baka pelong iki bakin poisha tu bakin le iki nukin bantik any drastic step to harm themselves te kenang ban lak niki iki baro ngi kum kilong kumi idon yak tak hok bangin support iki kenang ban ai men sim niki kinu ki basem kumi kini jingja bakin wan sakhmat bakin mi sakhmat bakin complain bela kalong hakano kur komro kim dei ya ka ban shifting ka ka ba jai ki kun kentai ki jongi mo ngidei ban not ya ka ban slur ya ka ban kren ya hok bakin Cpgsas te nakadaw nakalyang jongi ngi wan hang ban support iki tingla yo ban ikren beki te nakalyang jongi ngi power ki jing sungu yo DC yo SP jong kri boy hidup kila yo jing tips pangkanya but immediate action kila sim kila pa iki police hang ban protection te kumjur mentasa hang si kila ban wan ki magistrate te ngi power ki jing sungu no DC but SP ru jong kri boy district kila sim immediate action on this matter tangkatai ki